Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make hibachi salad dressing. Start by preparing your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, and 1/4 cup of shredded carrot. These fresh elements are crucial for that authentic hibachi taste. Then, measure out your liquids and seasonings, ensuring everything is ready for blending. This preparation makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get blending. Add your grated ginger, chopped onion, shredded carrot, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, water, and ketchup into a blender. Process on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. You want a perfectly smooth consistency, so keep blending until no large pieces remain. This step is key to achieving that signature hibachi texture. After blending, it's time for a taste test. This is where you can truly personalize your dressing. If you prefer it a bit sweeter, add a small pinch more sugar. For extra tang, a splash of rice vinegar will do the trick. Once you're happy with the flavor, transfer the dressing to an airtight container. Chill it for at least 30 minutes before serving for the best taste. This homemade hibachi salad dressing is best enjoyed fresh. Store any leftovers in a sealed container in your refrigerator for up to 5 to 7 days. For a creamier texture, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise during blending. If you prefer a thinner dressing, simply add a little more water. Enjoy this delicious, vibrant dressing on all your salads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.